Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Nursing Insights. So today we are going to discuss about this SSC Nursing Officer Recruitment 2026 happening in phase 14. So the key dates are here. So the application process has already started from April 13th and the last date is May 4th, 2026. So if you have made any mistakes during application process, you can obviously correct it during the correction window, that is May 11 to May 13, 2026, and there might be chances that the exam might be in June 2026. Coming back to eligibility and vacancies, we all know vacancies are about 124 to 127 and A&M post or nursing orderly post are not included in this number of vacancies. Coming back to the qualifications, so obviously if you are a B.Sc graduate, you can go directly apply for the post. If you are a GNM candidate, you need to have at least 1 to 2 years of experience depending upon the posts. So you can view this in the PDF provided in our WhatsApp group. Please join our WhatsApp group so that you will get the regular updates and the PDFs. So coming back to the age limit, you should be at least 30 years, 18 years old and the age limit is up to 30 years old. So if you are a SC, ST or OBC candidate, obviously you will be having the reservation depending upon your caste. If it is SC, ST, you will be having 5 years, and if it is OBC, you will be having 3 years of age relaxation. Coming back to the exam pattern, so the paper is of 200 marks. You will be having 100 questions, which will be having, each question will be carrying 2 marks. So the entire paper is for 200 marks. You will be providing 60 minutes of time, and you need to complete within the prescribed time, and there is negative marking here. So before you choose any answer, before you want to put your guesses on the paper, remember there is negative marking, you will face the consequences. Coming back to how to apply, so visit the site, that is ssc.govt.in, and you need to select the post. You should provide the mail so that they will send you a one-time password, and after that you will get to know the post, and there will be a specific code mentioned. After mentioning that, you need to pay the fee, and then you will get to apply the post. It's coming back to the regional vacancies. You can see before the post, the entire PDF, if you see, there will be a code provided for the each post. So that post NR, WR, ER, CR, SR indicates the regions: northern region, western region, eastern region, central region, and southern region respectively. So by this code, you get to know that the post is in particular region. Northern region, any state, any northern state; western region, any western states in India; eastern region, northeast, and central region like Madhya Pradesh, and southern region like Tamil Nadu and Hyderabad. So coming back to the essential document checklist. So you need to have Aadhaar, you need to have 10+2 certificate and B.Sc nursing degree or GNM degree certificate and year-wise transcript mark sheet. So coming back to, you all know the qualification, either B.Sc or a GNM certificate. Coming back to another important certificate, that is registration certificate. Either it should be from Indian Nursing Council or it should be from any state nursing council is also accepted. For GNM people, you need to have experience certificate provided from your registration date. Coming back to categories, if you want to claim under your particular caste, then you need to have your caste certificate. It is very mandatory. If you belong to SC, ST, OBC or EWS candidate and you want to claim the post under the category, under particular such caste category, you need to have your caste certificate ready. If you are a physically disabled candidate, obviously disability certificate should be provided. If you are an ex-serviceman, you should be having that certificate. So if you are already a state government employee or another state central government employee, you need to have this discharge certificate and another documents which are necessary for the document verification. So before this document verification, you need to have all this kept ready, either for application process or document verification. Both are very important. So for GNMs, it is very mandatory that you need to have experience certificate, so that while document verification it would be very easy. And remember that the experience certificate should be there from the date of registration. So you should have at least 1 to 2 years of registration experience for claiming the post. So coming back to the syllabus, so for general intelligence, they have allocated 25 marks, and the syllabus is analogy, semantic analogy, semiotic analogy, analytics and barometry. So these are all the topics that are covered in the general intelligence, so which will be carrying 25 marks. Coming back to general awareness, you should be having awareness on these topics like general polity and partition and boutique learning. Coming back to quantitative aptitude, so aptitude will be there in every sort of exam, so you should know how the numbering system works, how the Indian decimals and all these works, grading system and calculations, all these will be covered in the quantitative aptitude, and this query is 25 questions and carries 50 marks. Coming back to the last part of exam structure, that is English language. So parts of speech, sentence structure and setting structure, everything will be covered in the English language. You will be asked especially parts of speech, so that will be having 25 questions and you will be getting 50 marks per every question. The 2 marks will be awarded. So the entire exam duration is 60 minutes and you will be provided 60 minutes to complete the paper. So total questions are 100 questions and you will be given 200 marks for the entire paper. And remember, there is negative marking, so before putting any guesses on the paper, remember negative marking will be there. So this is all you want. If you want anything, comment down in the comment box, so I'll be replying to you people. So before leaving off, please subscribe our channel Nursing Insights for more such videos. So if you want any other videos and to cover, so comment on that in the comment box.